Welcome to this exciting tutorial on using AI for non-playable characters, or NPCs, in 3D games. In our journey today, we'll explore how AI can enhance NPC behavior, making your games more immersive and engaging. We'll cover various AI techniques such as finite state machines, pathfinding, and behavior trees. Let's dive in. First, let's set up our development environment. For this tutorial, we'll be using Unity as our game engine. Now, let's define our NPC class. This class will handle the basic properties of our NPCs. We'll introduce a finite state machine to control the behavior of our NPC. A finite state machine, or FSM, can define various states like idle, patrol, and attack. Now that we have our states defined, let's implement the idle state for our NPC. Next, let's implement the patrol state. This will have our NPC move along a predefined path. To switch states, we can add logic based on certain triggers, such as the player's proximity. We also need to implement the attack state. Here, the NPC will behave differently when the player is close by. Now that we've got our basic FSM in place, let's focus on pathfinding. We will use Unity's NavMesh system to enable our NPCs to navigate the environment. We can set a destination for our NPC using the NavMesh agent like this. With this setup, our NPC can dynamically navigate the game world, avoiding obstacles along the way. Next, let's integrate a simple AI behavior using behavior trees. This allows for more complex decision-making compared to FSM. In a behavior tree, we can define different nodes, such as selector, sequence, and leaf nodes to manage behaviors. Let's create some leaf nodes for basic actions like patrolling or attacking. We will create a tree structure to dictate the flow of decision-making for our NPC. As we build our tree with various nodes, we can see how decisions are made dynamically based on the game environment. Now, let's combine our FSM with our behavior tree to make our NPC more responsive and intelligent. But wait, we can enhance our NPC further by incorporating learning algorithms. Let's dive into that. We can use reinforcement learning algorithms to allow NPCs to learn from interactions within the game world. In this basic example, we'll define rewards for various actions, allowing the NPC to optimize its behavior over time. Now, let's run our NPCs and observe their behavior in the game. You can adjust parameters and observe how they adapt. Outstanding! We've equipped our NPCs with multiple layers of intelligence, leading to a more engaging gameplay experience. As a quick recap, we learned about finite state machines, pathfinding with NavMesh, behavior trees, and even touched on reinforcement learning. Thank you for joining me on this journey into AI for NPCs in 3D games. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this. Keep experimenting and happy coding!